Hello, sir. How are you?
I am fine, Hamza. Nice to see you. Have a seat. What are you doing these days?
Sir, locked down. Bored and frustrated. Nothing to do.
I think you did graduation, right?
Yes.
Why don't you boost your skills in these useless days?
What shall I do?
There is an online ERP training course. This course is best suited for students, young professionals, and even entrepreneurs.
What are the features of this course, sir?
1. You can do it at any time of your choice. 2. You will be given a complete access to the ERP portal. 3. You will be given real-life interesting scenarios to practice and learn.
That sounds very cool, sir. Can I get a copy of that ERP?
No dear, it's complete web-based ERP. So you will get just ID and password. All you need is just a browser and internet.
How can I get that, sir?
You just need to register at packerp.com/course. You will start getting lessons in just 5 minutes. However, the access to your ERP account will not be given unless you pay the course fee.
How much does it cost?
Its regular price is Rs 8,500 for a whole course. But for lockdown they are giving special 80% discount.
That's almost free, sir. I shall now rush to have it.
Yes, you will find best value for your time and money.
Okay, bye. My father is waiting for me.